Hi everyone, my name is Pat with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we have for you today a 2017 Vilano by Vanleigh. It's a 365Fl floor plan. Nice fifth wheel here, guys. I'm gonna take you around and tell you a little bit about it. As you can see, we have it fully installed at the moment with all the leveling down. The awnings are out, slides are out, just like you'd see it at the campground. So let's get started. Overall exterior paint and body condition is very good. Between a 1 and a 10, I'd place it right around a 9, and that's only because it's not new. I do want to point out before I go any further, this unit does have a lifetime maintenance-free roof coating on it. So that's going to be peace of mind in itself there for no water intrusion issues in the future. Up here you got a great big storage there with dual batteries. As you can see, it does have two awnings, two patio awnings. Dual propane tanks. One on this side, should be one on the other. Nice pass-through storage here. All the slide seals, slide out toppers are in excellent shape. 2017 Vilano by Vanleigh 365Fl, that's forward living. Does have a rear backup camera. I do want to point out that it does have 3 rooftop ACs. Like I said, all your slide seals, they're all like new. Your decals are all in good shape, no peeling or fading. It was well kept. You're looking at it just like we got it. Has not been detailed yet. It will clean up very nice. Not very dirty to begin with. Got a 10-gallon electric and gas water heater, dual furnace. Kind of hard for me to do this with one hand. No, that's the other side of your storage. Power inverters in there. Here's your other propane tank, as I mentioned earlier. Front cap's nice and clean, no fading. Let's take you inside. Okay, so we got this center kitchen here. Quick review of that. Right upon entering, this is where you're going to control a lot of your lighting and ACs and awnings, slide outs, and all that. So as you can see immediately, the furniture is going to need some attention. They did add a desk here instead of a couch. It will be priced accordingly. Never had any water leaks. Floor's nice and tight, you know, nothing's beat up and broken except for the furniture. Nice tall ceilings in here. Like how the dining area has a Great big window there that overviews your patio. Lots of pantry space. Your center bath. Nice tall shower. Lots of space in this one. Dual vanity sink. This king size mattress there. Full closet. It is plumbed for washer and dryer, as you can see. Lots of overhead storage. It's gonna make somebody a nice clean unit. Very good product by Vanleigh. You have your Samsung residential fridge. Microwave there by Furrion. You got a stovetop, 3-burner cooktop. Little island kitchen here, double basin sink. There you have it. So to give you a quick glimpse of what's coming up next here. It'll be live here shortly. I want to thank you for watching. Again, my name's Pat with Advanced RV Centers, Okeechobee, Florida. Feel free to call us with any questions, 561-719-9774.